everyone, welcome to Northa Fest by Zen Sparrow, a beautiful exhibition curated by 4 beautiful brands, all happening at Reflection 1.0. All the other details are mentioned in the caption, and to see the collection, you know what you have to do, swipe. This is brand Zen Sparrow and they have come up with their beautiful चनिया चोली collection. ये उनके पास कुछ set options हैं, very pretty, long blouse के साथ. उसमें you are going to find colors as well.
कलर वाइज તમારે कस्टमाइज करावવું હોય તો એ પણ થઈ જશે.
ओके, अगर आपको कलर्स में कस्टमाइजेशन चाहिए तो वो भी हो जाएगा. Something for all the white lovers, very graceful, very pretty. Okay, moving on to separate chaniya option. Look at that. These are very beautiful. Look at that. If you want something like this, थोड़ा multi color में तो वो भी option में मिल जाएगा. Okay. उसमें ही if you want a different shade, then that is also available. Very pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. They also have only white chaniya option. अगर आपको वो चाहिए तो वो भी मिल जाएगा. So this is brand Zen Sparrow and they have brought beautiful કાપડા blouses ની એમની પાસે બહુ જ બધી વેરાયટી છે.
શોર્ટમાં પણ છે જો.
शॉर्ट में भी कुछ ऑप्शंस हैं उनके पास. Look at that. Okay. These are all the કાપડા blouses that they have.
हमारा नवा ब्लाउज છે 5500 ની રેન્જમાં છે.
ओके, ये 5500 की रेंज में उनके पास उनका न्यू लॉन्च्ड ब्लाउजेस के भी ऑप्शन है. लुक एट दैट. कच्ची पैच वर्क के साथ पूरा. ओके, लवली. सो दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शन. स्लीवलेस में अगर आपको कुछ चाहिए तो वो ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. ब्यूटिफुल. ओके, समथिंग लाइक दिस. स्पगेटी में भी उनके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं. सो इफ यू वांट स्पगेटी ऑप्शंस वो भी आपको मिल जाएंगे. लवली.
સાઈઝ કસ્ટમાइज થઈ જશે.
साइज कस्टमाइज हो जाएंगी. ब्यूटिफुल. लुक एट दैट. समथिंग इन halter neck. Continuing with the same brand, this is brand Radiant Jewels and they have brought beautiful option for Navratri as well. उनके पास बहुत सुंदर earrings है. Along with that, if you want to go really statement out there, they have these big chokers or set pieces के भी options हैं उनके पास. हासली में something like this if you're looking for. coin necklace है. something in long if you're looking for that. They have options for that as well. They've got you covered. Very pretty. Look at these very beautiful earrings. Along with that, they have these statement finger rings as well, along with beautiful kada options that go with your Navratri look. I'll show you once again the entire stall. Beautiful. So you will find everything from kundan, chokers, long statement pieces to something delicate to something like this in sets. So this is brand Toran.craft and they have come up with beautiful options which are reusable. જે તમે reverse કરીને બી use કરી શકો છો. I will show you beautiful platter options, તોરણ options, રંગોલી options. So જો તમે first time આ use કરી છે, next time you can just flip and use the new rangoli. So this is their USP. આખા જ બધા જ એમના જેટલું પણ કલેક્શન છે એ બધામાં તમને જોવા મળશે. They have beautiful potli bags as well. They have તોરણ as well. Lovely, very pretty. આ જે પૂજાની થાળી છે એ બી છે એમની પાસે in different colors. Look at this. આખું candle stand છે અને this cute આસન starts from 99 rupees. Beautiful. They have envelopes ના options છે એમની પાસે. Something like this as well. Beautiful. All these are platter options. આસન માં એમની પાસે options છે along with these તોરણ options. Beautiful. So continuing with the same brand, this is Shah exclusive. They have beautiful collection of earrings as well. અહીંયા તમને બહુ જ બધી different types ની earrings મળશે. Look at that. Which you can use for not just Navratri, but you can use them for Diwali, festivities, routine માં બી જો તમને કંઈ પહેરવું હોય. And I am holding them. This is very lightweight. You are going to love it. Look at this.
એની ઇયરિંગ્સ બધી જ મારી લાઇટ વેટ છે. એક બી વેટ નહીં હોય એમાં.
Okay. Ear cuffs માં બી ઓપ્શન જો તમને જોઈએ વી હેવ ધેટ એઝ વેલ. આ બધું જ બ્રાસ પર છે.
સિલ્વર કોટિંગ કરેલું
Silver
છે.
coating
So,
કરેલું
skin ને
છે.
કોઈ ઇરિટેશન્સ કે કંઈ જ નહીં.
Okay, so no irritation on the skin at all. Look at all the pretty pieces. Very beautiful. Beautiful.
સમથિંગ સ્ટોન સાથે બી તમારે જવું હોય તો સેમી પ્રેશિયસ સ્ટોન છે
Okay.
વિથ ધ બ્રાસ ના પેન્ડલ્સ ને.
So this is their entire collection. So continuing with the same brand, this is brand Zen Sparrow, and as you can see, they have beautiful collection of dupatta as well. So you can mix and match here, very pretty. किसी में plain है, किसी में borders है, किसी में नीचे patchwork है. You have कच्ची भरत work, you have beautiful patchwork like this. Look at that. बंधेज में ऑप्शन है, प्लेन में है, ब्लैक
Black
में
में પણ બહુ
है.
બધા option છે.
ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं उनके पास. Look at
Plain में
that.
છે आपका.
पूरा इसमें सीक्वेंट वर्क वाला है. Look at that. Very pretty. Beautiful. Very pretty. Something like this. These look very pretty.
વ્હાઇટમાં પણ ઓપ્શન છે.
वाइट में भी ऑप्शंस हैं उनके पास. ब्यूटीफुल. समथिंग लाइक दिस, यू नो, पूरा ऐसे टिश्यू पे जो थोड़ा फेस्टिव में फिर कलर्स, यू विल फाइंड दैट ऑल्सो. So this is brand Radiant Jewels, and they have brought a beautiful collection of some very pretty kundan sets. These are all chokers, as you can see. These go over everything. You can wear these for festivities, for Navratri. If you're looking for something in tight chokers, they have options for that as well. Look at that. These are very pretty. Yet again, these are all very beautiful. Look at that. If you want something in એકદમ જ ટાઈટ ચોકર્સમાં જો તમને કંઈ જોઈએ છે, you want something delicate and nice, then these are few options in them as well. Look at that. They have these earrings as well. Something like this. And then they also have set options like these. If you're looking for some statement pieces, they come along with earrings. Beautiful.
I'm Hemali from Shah Exclusive. This is my all silver with the gemstones.
Okay.
પ્યોર સિલ્વર છે. ઇવન સિલ્વરની ઇયરિંગ્સ છે. સેમી પ્રેશિયસ ને પ્રેશિયસ છે. આ વખતે નવું અમે કંઈક આવું ચોકર બનાવ્યા છે.
Lovely. Very pretty.
ચોકર્સમાં બીજી ડિઝાઇન્સ બી છે. ઇવન પર્લ સાથે બી છે.
Okay, very pretty. Along with that, they have beautiful nose pins જેમાં 30 plus તમને designs મળી જવાના છે. Then you also will find beautiful chokers and long માં એમાં
આ
બી
બધું જર્મન સિલ્વર છે.
this is all German silver. એમાં પણ તમને બહુ જ બધી patterns મળશે. You have to visit them. Look at that. Beautiful કડા options છે. Lovely statement pieces, all of them. Look at that.